Hi friends, welcome to my channel Loh. Today we will learn about the Arabic alphabet Qaf. Qaf is the 21st Arabic alphabet. Let's watch Qaf. Hi, my name is Qaf. 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 You can spell Qaf in English as Q-A-A-F. Qaf. It sounds like the English alphabet Q with the heavy pronunciation. Qaf. How to pronounce Qaf? The Qaf sound is produced when the uvula is touched with the back portion of the tongue. The uvula is a small hanging piece in our throat, like a bell. Qaf, qaf, qaf. The words starting with qaf are qamar means moon, qarib means boat, and qalam means pen. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye friends.